Guinness task. Like they really brought out their all. Team Sean and then Team Victoria, like they did it well, starting from how they are going to chill their Guinness down to the task, the games that are involved, then to the pictures, posings for it. Like I feel like maybe they should even use them for advert after the show. Not just one person, but all of them. Do you get? Because they did very well. Although there is definitely going to be one winner, which is Team Victoria. They really tried. Is it the way Femi added those drinks inside the glass bottle? The guy is a pro. Like I really enjoyed every bit of the task. I don't want to say these people did not do well or do that. All of them did well, but at the end of the day, there should be a perfect, serve that maybe the judges behind the task are looking for. Do you understand? So guys, that's that about the whole Guinness stuff with the housemates. So going back to Sooj and Nelly, I thought Nelly went into the diary room and was telling Big Brother that she's tired of Sooj. Like there is a point in time when she'll be with somebody and then she gets tired. Is she no longer tired? Like these people, is she no longer tired? Nelly, they're tired again. These housemates just they funny. I understand. Yeah, you guys are in the same space all the time. Yeah, you should be missing him at some point. But then again, you keep seeing his faces all day, every day. And then again, you're still lying down with him. And then you're disting and laughing somebody that you're tired with. Just tell us that you need attention, like any random girl. Like any girl wants to be babied. So just say it that he's not babying you. That's why you're angry. You get. Normally, friends fall out at some point in the relationship they have. Not to talk of those that are in ship or relationship. So they definitely have to have fallouts. But it's just funny that you just spoke about him yesterday and boom, you're with him again today. Although that's also strategy or how life is or the way we want to see it anyway, we see it that way. But at the end of the day, she still likes Sooj. That's just the thing. My own is I'm not sure if Sooj may like her, but then is he really like, or just they are using that to get the attentions of the viewers and all of that? So in every Big Brother season there is always people that end up shipping and going out of the house, continuing the ship, or it's actually or eventually sinks outside the house. So it depends on the one that you choose. Do you understand? So if you're new here, kindly click on the subscribe or notification button. Let us be friends. But if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. Bye.